Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet mustache. Now we learn to crochet mustache. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 12 double crochet stitches. How are we going to make? We will yarn over, insert the needle inside the ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. Okay, yarn over, insert needle inside the ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. In similar fashion we have to make 12 double crochet stitches. I'll just complete this and show you. Once our 12 double crochet stitches are done, okay, now we make 10 chain crochet stitches. Now after 10 chain crochet stitches are done, now we skip first stitch after the current loop on the needle. In second and third stitch we make one single crochet stitch and one single crochet stitch, one single crochet stitch. In second and third, first we will skip. Then in fourth and fifth we will make one half double crochet stitch. Fourth one half double crochet stitch, fifth one half double crochet stitch. Then 6 7 8 9 we will, I'm so sorry, 6 7 8 9 we will make one double crochet stitch. 6 7 8 9 we will make one double crochet stitch. Now we reach to 10th. In 10th we will make 3 double crochet stitches in one single stitch. Okay, and join the third double crochet stitch with the uh, first double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. There we join with the slip stitch. Okay, so our one mustache is ready. Only in last round we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. Till we reach that corner. I'll tell you what we do when we reach that corner. First let me reach till corner. I'll show you. Now see, here we have reached that corner, narrow corner. Now here, after making the slip stitch with the corner stitch, we make 2 chain crochet stitches. Okay, and now we were making on the upper side of the mustache one slip stitch in each single stitch. Now we will make in downside of the mustache. Okay, one slip stitch in each single stitch. Only in corner we will make 2 chain crochet stitches extra and just leave them, and then again start with your work. Make one slip stitch in each single stitch in the downside of the mustache. Okay, and just complete whole thing. I'll just complete this and show you, and following exactly same pattern, make one more mustache, but just don't make slip stitch. I'll tell you when to make. I'll just show you. Now see, following exactly same pattern, we made one more mustache. Okay, now that slip stitch border, first we will turn this like back side, we will make it in front. See, we have to turn it. Okay, and now we start making one slip stitch in each single stitch. Again, when we reach the corner, we will make 2 chain crochet stitches, and again we will start with the down part, one slip stitch with each single stitch. That's it. Okay, so I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Now this is how it looks. Circle, just make a slip knot, then make 3 chain crochet stitches. First the slip knot, after slip knot make 3 chain crochet stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then starting from first stitch itself, start making 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. First, second and third. Okay, now just make a chain crochet and turn your crochet work. There you go. Now just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch and you are done. Finish. Your eyes are ready. I will show you the final piece. Just stitch those 2 circles on the corner of the mustache. You need to stitch those 2 circles on not at, on exact corner, but like little bit upper side. Okay, so it feels like it's rounded up. Okay, as you have seen whole video, if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. See, this is how we assemble parts. If you want to see crochet tutorial for like this whole applique, link is given in description, and you can use mustaches. Now here I have used for Santa Claus applique. You can use in various applique, and many tutorial are there on my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.